In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to set an automatic submission limit on an appointment request form. So the form turns itself off once it reaches the number you choose. This helps prevent overbooking, keeps your workload manageable, and gives visitors a clear signal when you're no longer accepting new requests. First, open your appointment request form in the Jotform form builder. You should see the form preview in the center and the main toolbar across the top. We'll do everything from here. No extra tools or plugins needed. Next, head to the Settings tab at the top. This area controls how your form behaves after it's published, including availability, limits, and other key options. Once you're in Settings, look for the Form Status section. Form Status is where you decide whether the form is active, paused, or set to turn off automatically based on a rule. That's exactly what we want. Click the drop-down arrow beside Form Status to view the available choices. From the list, select Disable at Submission Limit. This tells Jotform to monitor how many submissions your form receives and to stop accepting new entries when it hits your threshold. It's an easy way to enforce a cap without manually switching the form off later. Now type in the limit you want. Choose a number that matches your capacity, whether that's a handful of appointments or a full schedule. When this limit is reached, the form will no longer accept responses and visitors will see a message indicating it's unavailable. If you're uncertain about the exact number, it's usually better to start slightly lower and adjust later rather than risk overcommitting. Keep in mind that the limit applies to total submissions on this form, not per day or per user, so set it with your full time frame in mind. When you've entered the number, click Save. You should see confirmation that your settings are stored. This ensures the limit is active and will take effect as soon as your form collects submissions. If your plans change, you can always return here to raise the limit, lower it, or switch back to a fully enabled form. That's it. You've set a submission limit that automatically protects your schedule and gives your audience a clear, professional experience. Publish or share your form as usual, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your appointment request form with confidence.